What's up, guys? Nate Hansen here, and today I'm with Logan. Once again, say hi, Logan.
Fuck you.
And today we are exploring an abandoned factory that's connected at a sawmill, behind a sawmill. So and there's actually history behind this, so I'm gonna look that up right now. The story is, there used to be a salad factory until it was abandoned. So it got abandoned. Then the Stoppers bought it and turned it into a hardware store, and now it's a mill. So that's pretty much all it was. So without further ado,
I know that behind that. Hear that little creaking sound.
Should we go kick the door?
You go do it. You have the camera.
Okay, go. Hey, so where should we go first? This is where we're gonna go first.
Making little guy country.
So I don't know if you saw this side too. We went like on a tour before we did this. So yeah, there's not much here. So I'm not showing that. Logan, get your butt out there.
Get forward, Mr. Camera Guy.
Ow! The camera just got a nice view of your butt. Just also got a kill full of nails and stuff back here. And this is the other side. See the little opening right there? If I was small enough, I would crawl up there and stuff. What?
Boy, you got small fucking boys.
Well, I thought it was a good idea. Logan's butt shot. Because you went first. Alright, so there's I don't know how many rooms there are. There's this room, that room, these steps are really nothing. They're used to something, but it's a dead end. So we're just not gonna go there because, you know, that's just not our style, man. You good?
Yes, I'm good.
This, I think, is an attic, man. Looks like Logan having a little trouble there. But if you want to go on top of the roof,
Yeah,
now's your chance. Maybe. Why do I hear music?
what the fuck do you think?
I don't know. What
I'm asking the sense of them fucking.
You just put music on while they're having a woo! Alright, you're not having fun? Logan?
Get that camera out of my face.
Ooh, there's an upstairs. Whoa! Oh, shoot, I almost sank.
Yeah, I'm not touching those stairs. Have fun time.
I mean, you just chill down there? You just chilling down there?
I have a tendency to fall through floors.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that moves, so don't think I'm gonna go through that. There's a random bathroom. Here's the thing, though. Usually go to these abandoned places and like sneaky and stuff. But now we actually got permission from my good friend Nick. So Nick, if you're watching this video, thank you, man. Now, there's also a Ford Mustang. So, if you're into cars, then this part is for use. That's a truck. It is the Mustang. You guys can't see. You have a phone?
Of course I have my fucking phone. Get that camera out of my face.
I keep thinking. Every time I see this, I keep thinking it's like mouse or something. I want that to be mouse. No, don't do that. Do not do that. But this is actually pretty cool. I shut that. That's why I did that. Okay, because it's
That body.
good. Look at that body. Got in here. Nothing that we can see. Oh, can see a little bit. What was that? Wanna play pool?
No.
Play pool and stuff? Whee! That went far. I'm trying to think what else there was. Do you remember, Logan?
I did not smell yogurt.
The only place we hadn't explored was the dead end, but
That's a dead end.
yeah, that and there's a lot of jumping involved, like climbing over pipes and stuff, so I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, fuck that.
Okay then, so I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stop smacking my butt. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to become a subscriber today. And Logan, is there anything you wanna say?
Disregard everything he said.
And as always, stay awesome, guys.